Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Hi friends, welcome to your favorite channel Puzzle Solver. Today we get you an interesting puzzle, and in this puzzle you can see a girl having 4 balloons. Here is a teddy bear having a flower on his chest. We have individual flowers and we have individual balloons. We have to find out the value of each items present in this puzzle so that we can solve this puzzle. So let's start. Before jumping to the detailed solution, let's solve this puzzle together and start a timer for 30 seconds. Please mention your answers in the comment section, and you can download the puzzle from the description link. So your time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle. Let's begin to see the complete solution. Let's jump to the first equation. In the first equation, you can see there are 3 girls and every girl holding 4 balloons in her hand. So when we solve this equation, we'll find out 3 girls having balloons in her hand is equal to 24. When we solve this equation, we can find out one girl having 4 balloons in her hand is equal to 24 divided by 3, that is equal to 8. Let's jump to the second equation. In the second equation, we have 2 teddy bears having a flower print and we have one girl holding 4 balloons. We know the value of one girl holding 4 balloons, that is equal to 8. We put this value in this second equation. This becomes 2 teddy bears plus 8 is equal to 18, and when we solve this equation, this 8 will move to right side, so this will become 18 minus 8, and this 2 will become the denominator, so this equation will become 18 minus 8 divided by 2, and this comes out to be 18 minus 8 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So the teddy bear having a flower print is equal to 5. Moving on to the third equation. In the third equation, we have a pair of flowers and one girl having 4 balloons in her hand, that is equal to 16. We know the value of this girl holding 4 balloons, this is equal to 8. When we solve this equation for 2 flowers, this will come out to be 16 minus 8 divided by 2. So the final answer for 2 flowers will be 18 minus 8 is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So we know 2 flowers value is equal to 4, so 1 flower value will be 2. Now moving on to the fourth equation. In the fourth equation, we have 2 balloons here, 2 balloons here, and 1 teddy bear with a flower print, and their total value is equal to 9. When you solve this equation, we know the value of teddy bear with a flower print is equal to 5. We'll take this to the right side, so it will become negative 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and this 2 will become the denominator of this. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So 2 balloons value is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 balloon value is equal to 1. Now we have every item's value with us. A girl with 4 balloons is equal to 8. A teddy bear with a flower print is equal to 5. 2 flowers value is equal to 4. Therefore, 1 flower value is equal to 2 and 1 balloon is equal to 1. Let's move on to the final equation and solve this puzzle. In the final equation, we have 1 teddy bear with no flower print plus 1 balloon and one flower, and their multiplication is with a girl having 3 balloons in her hand. Now we know the value of every item with us. So teddy bear value having a flower print is equal to 5. We can subtract this flower's value. We know the flower value is equal to 2, so we'll subtract 2 from this. Addition with balloon's value is 1 from here, and a flower value is equal to 2 from this. So 1 plus 2. Their multiplication is with a girl holding 4 balloons. Its value is equal to 8, and we have to subtract one balloon's value, that is equal to 1. Now according to the BODMAS rule, we first have to solve bracket, then order, then division, then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. So first we have to solve these brackets. So when we solve this first bracket, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Again, according to the BODMAS rule, we have to first multiply these two items. So 3 multiplication with 7 will be 21, and its addition is with 3. So 21 plus 3 is equal to 24, and 24 is our answer. Hence, we have solved this puzzle. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this puzzle, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to your favorite channel for latest puzzles and solutions. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.